danda. Oh danda. Oh danda. Danda ko bila pala mo. Danda wala ati. Wala ati danda. Koma yun, koma.
Hello and welcome to another exciting episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. Guys, please like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
Yes, please. Hey, Maloy.
Safe wait.
Dilo tsa ka di shabo.
Wa itse o tshwere nna dilo tsa o di sharp ke nna maloya sharp.
Jo like wa bona tlhokile room bosa.
Tla ba room bosa. Lo tsa o di sharp. Go re A+ khale ke sa heavy lo tsa rena di sharp re itremos.
Jo mara khona la mara jo.
Mara mona ba no o tso shelo tsa o ba no ndinka go room ya go re tsa bya.
Ka fraser bosa.
Mfowethu lo tsa wa di sharp, ba sharp bosa.
O ka se trepe monna ka ngwana. Yes. Botsa bo mother of two. Ba zamile ga bedi dade. Ga Hispani.
Mantwinzi.
Isikolo asingaqeda amandla kunalokho uthola amanye amandla okungenani ufaka isiphandla uye enkandla ubuye futhi
ake sibone le channel le pregnant ake sibone le channel le pregnant na channel ba ira yana
Le Google.
bana ba China ba tswa kae ene ko China ma China ba kae ba more than population ya bone more than 1 billion mara ake sibone le channel le pregnant ya le mo social media ake sibone le channel le pregnant ene ake sibone le sula ma China go te motharo wa lesung le channel la chomi ya wa le tlogofela Hagis ki bone se fofu sa gay. Amar maybe stains fofu sa gay. Mar na gis ki so. Are chomi kai we kin stick chomi. Nkrosi sa la chomi.
Na get safe.
Le nna ka rata dilo ebe ke re ke zame mishimana 50 years plus. Sharp kanto mo ga ke mo thora to romellana dipina di hele dag. Vroeg ke tsosa ke Tony Braxton unbreak my heart. Ke unbreak my heart. Auto ho betse. Ka mara re ka bona. Ka lunch ko mmerokong go tsena e labanong ya Tagabala. Tagabadra. Wa itse ke shabo gara ai. Ya thata lena mara tla bona. Ha ke fitla go hae bushu. Tsene nngwe hape pina ile ba e ratang thata ya bling boom bling boom na ai wala pizza totola
Love songs.
Jarehela ke tshela lwena o botla go ntirisa ka dipoto ka
But again.
ke go kreile o ntse jang go ga gago ke go kreile o ntse jang touch believe or nothing touch belief in my life
Okay.
touch belief in my life
What does that mean?
Unthutlile o botuku wena jara before e hela
ga ke lwe mare
o ka se palelwe ke boyfriend tse e 3 way di 7 subjects ko sekolong ayonto
sister
kuba nalabo bhuti laba abangangeneki akekho rude akaphapheleki sawubona yebo njani kuyaphela njani phela abantu baze bathi hayibo wena umuntu wakho uyakhuluma uthi uyakhuluma uyahleka hayibo khulisa ubhebi wakhe kuphela hlekisa ubhebi wakhe kuphela ngiyabaza ubhuti abanjalo bese kuba nani ke ngoba sisele nani ayikho into engayihleki akekho umuntu engamazi wena wankolota mfethu ngizobona later ngisajika lana mabhekasi
Bafethu, the worst thing you can ever do ne to someone's car ukuthi ngikuthole uthola ukuthi ngiyishile ku parking lot, find you leaning on my car or find you uyibambile. So that's the worst thing you can ever do. And like ilanga lami limoshekile anginandaba ukuthi imoto yami yayazi and ungilindile or something or ufuna ukuthatha ithombe. Guys, don't lean on people's cars. Like, don't lean on people's cars. You don't know what it takes to maintain la makala and keep it how it is. Like, please, ngomoyo muhle, guys. Don't go around touching people's cars. Please.
Sesibadala madoda sesibadala awuna soyenza ama group chat ukuthi kudala ngena nawo isikolo sihlangane la sesinabantwana sineimoto sine responsibility eningi siyahasila intanga zenizahamba ngemoto bakhothola ungathama ka dikoloyi babamba ka di van di Ford Ranger babamba ka akukopana ka di business meeting, business transaction. Uzosuka la sohlangana la sophuza masiqeda ukuphuza sohleba sikhulume ngabantu watwata sijabulele lento le ngoba sesihlangana ngama business asirious tokopa nakana sikolo ka ofela harukopa nengi watwati rete ngona no sikhathi ixesha limkile ngesixhosa sakopanela di business eserious sakopanela into tse constructive sakopanela uhasila awusakopanela uhlodula rino ejwala uclaim ukuthi uphuze ehenis first of all uqashile secondly awuna moto thirdly awuna direction na 2026 yaphela kama sesikhuluma ngo next month in May ngena ama group chatting uqoqile indaba ezingana value untoni iqoqa ayina value khona mase sesisebenzela ejada abantwana bayakhula baya ama secondary abanye baya ama university baya masihlangana sesihlangana ebusiness imoto ma uyistart ipetrol yadura
ngelele bazalwane ngizothenga upolish wemoto ubheka insizwe engidibana naye
mkhulu kade ngagcina
isekhulile lensizwa aseyona ingane isenamadevu lensizwa ikhulile hayi kodwa nami ngiyathokoza ngiyajabula wemehla mama ayinhle lento eyenzayo idinga oniwe
angihleze ngikubona nawo lapho ku TikTok umkhulu
hayi ngiyavela mina angiveli nje ngawe kodwa ngivela gwa awuthi ithambo la
ukuthi hayi izulu into yethu
ukuthi siyayihlonipha ukuthi siyalithanda lelizwe
awukhuphuka lapho
ukuthi isenhlizweni
awukhulu
mfowethu siyabonga
awusushilo ke manje
shine Africa shine
awushine mfowethu
umona phansi down jealous
phansi
izandla ziyageza ngiyangwa
ngena uphapha ufile abo mama bayaphapha ningena ukuphapha haleluya ngiyaphapha haleluya Jesus
ukile wa bona o tsoga on Saturday ka letsatsi la laundry wa bona gore mona ha kena fabric softener or something stay soft what o shianele ko shopong kwa le topa dilonyana mo le o mo thiling yanong just as you are about to pay about 3 people mo pela ha mo and being nosy like we are o lebelle trolley o so bona gore gona le di pineapple nyana tse ding tse di nice and you didn't even know what pineapples are still in season ausi wa re a wetse ke di kry-ile motho kwa di-mango le di-mango di teng ya ore wa lebelela re tsamaya o di tsaya ke tla go tshwarela troli ya gago o mathele ko di-pineappleng tseo o tsetse itrinyana then ha o le mole a gona ausi o le wa go kala go fa that price ya teng gore ke bokae ntse re ausi mamang o kae finally after 5 minutes or 3 minutes and wa itse gore line ya tsamaya when you finally get back to the till o kry-ile gore ausi o lo tlhalosetsa somebody gona le a botomo o apere skipanyana ke ebile wa tla and then you have to explain to these people mo lining ne ke le moso ke troli yaka ne ke shiane ke lebetse some sorry you have to explain why you left the queue why ba tsenela because you can even see from their looks or they were wishing gore o ska boa o boe ba setse ba patetse bona o boele go morago gwana. Now these white people that went to America ba no decide or ra foteka ha ba feel or ba boa gape they don't have to explain to anybody gore re busiwa ke they just come back and you know why I think magopola mana bane ke le bolela ka batho ba go Vanderhof makgoa Vanderhof some of you were saying he tla o bone makgoa a go Carletonville he tla o bone ba go Pretoria North he tla o bone ba go Denville tla go ba these white people probably we have to now work. Bana le color area privilege. They have this color privilege more board. But now they see America for another 6 months. But that is still privilege. That is still privilege. They can fuck off when they want to fuck off and they can come back when they want to come back and still find everything. They are going to find all that land they inherited. They are going to find everything. And white people still want to say they are not privileged in this country. But they are being oppressed. And what scares me even more is that the leaders of AfriForum, but not even one member of that delegation ya AfriForum they stayed behind. Why did the leadership go and complain and they said and now their brothers are coming back? Why did they stay behind and say what are these people coming back with? That's what I want to know. You don't just leave and come back. But I still want to say that privilege. When only a black person, can you leave your things now and find them back 6 months later? That's and stands out. Toyota Corolla, we go malume boutique na ruya ka yone matlapeng a accident mo news. You are not going to find your things intact. These people just decided they are fed up with South Africa and now they are coming back. Why? That's why I want to find out why. And most importantly, the people who went and reported this were given a way out, but they stayed behind. Why? What privilege they thought about, and they still refuse. Mara, most importantly, but am I eating babuela in? And they'll still tell you or no, naraso terra. Samaya when. Sama le relationship ya what's amazing relationship by 3 years ubuile mama o cry lor bashimane ba le be hope you are doing okay ba mo tseile ba se ba mo sedusa go tla se kwale se go tsholla metsi a cook and peaches.
Yo guys, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you in the next upload.